Alright, so this is gonna be the second part to this vlog. I decided to just split it into 3. So we're going to Cappadocia. Super excited to take you guys with me. The hotel that I'm staying at literally has a pool in the room. So I'm so excited to go in the hotel and like just see what the room is like. Finally made it. I'm gonna go do some ATV riding, which will be fun. I feel like this is a place to do ATV rides. I think we're gonna be riding around Love Valley. It's like a group tour, so see what the vibes are like. I just finished ATV riding, but now I'm at this restaurant called Kebabzade, and it's like in the middle, in the heart of Göreme, and they have a bunch of reviews. I got the pottery kebab, that's like specialty dish in Cappadocia. Back to my hotel. I actually want to go get drinks at this place for sunset. It's called Rooftop. I've been seeing it all over TikTok and Instagram, but they have like, it just looks magical during sunset times. I still can't believe I have a pool in my room. I'm not gonna lie, it does make the room feel humid, but I am only staying here for one night, so I don't mind it too much. Clearly going to bed and you have a view of the pool.
So you're bad from
It is 9:50 a.m. and we're just having some breakfast at my hotel. I think they're gonna serve me like a traditional Turkish breakfast. I finally made it to my hotel. The receptionist was telling me that like parking is a problem here. So just a quick tip, if you do rent a car, you'll probably have to park like maybe like a 3-minute walk or like 5-minute walk just to park on the streets. so nice. I literally have the whole place to myself. At first when I walked in, I was so confused because like I didn't see the terrace, because like when you first walk in it's like a regular store, and then you have the actual workers to take you upstairs. Paid like 1,000 Turkish lira, which is like 20 euros, and that's the price for 1 or 2 people. They even have costumes for you to rent and try out. I can't tell if this is for men or women.
So you're back from which part? Tell up.
Okay guys, so this is my taxi driver. What is your name?
My name is Ali. I'm the taxi driver in Göreme, Cappadocia.
And you do taxi services throughout the whole city?
Yes, I will do all Cappadocia. Also, I'm speaking English.
Yes, he speaks very good English.
Sometimes it's not enough.
No, it's good. It's
But,
the best I've heard.
Yeah, thank you for everything.
No problem.
Thank you for that.
Made it to the underground city, Kaymakli city. I don't have a tour guide, so I'm hoping that I don't get lost. Apparently there's signs, so it's pretty easy to self-navigate. And I think I'm lost already. I don't even know where I'm at, but I'm just following random people. I'm so happy I have freedom now. After 10 minutes, I was like so over it. I would say if you're claustrophobic or if you have knee problems, I definitely wouldn't recommend. Once you're in there, you have to like kind of hike the entire thing to get out. I almost got lost, and then I ended up asking this guide for help. Overall, it was a very cool experience, and it is air conditioned in there. It took me about like 30 to 35 minutes. You can definitely do it longer if you're like into history, especially if you have a tour guide, but I went without a tour guide, so it was kind of like self-guided. It's definitely doable because I was looking on the internet if I would be able to do it self-guided, and I think my taxi driver is looking for me. But yeah, I was looking if I'd be able to do it self-guided, and I didn't find any information, so you can definitely do it self-guided. Let me go find my driver. I made it to the Uchisar Castle. This is the second stop. My taxi driver is waiting for me again. There's also camels. I remember riding a camel in Morocco, and that was the day that I was like, yeah, I would never ride a camel again. I don't know, the camels were just like in so much pain, and they were like making noises and stuff, and I just felt so bad. It wasn't my camel that was making noise, it was just somebody else's camel, but still, the concept of it.
Left side, also your hotel side. Did you see the mosque there?
Yeah, I see.
This is the right side, Valley,
Pigeon Valley?
The Uchisar side is Pigeon Valley, this side is Göreme Panorama. Why they will name it Pigeon Valley? Because in the valley they have a lot of pigeon houses.
My tour guide was literally so nice. You guys have to book with him when you guys come to Göreme. The original plan was just for him to take me to the Uchisar Castle, But he ended up taking me to the underground city, the Uchisar Castle, and 3 other viewpoints. Like, he did that out of the kindness of his heart, and he was taking pictures for me as well. You guys need to book with him. His name is Ali, and I'll put his information on the description.